Chaos briefly halted proceedings in Jamaica's parliament Tuesday night after Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Southwestern Angela Brown Burke was suspended following an incident involving the ceremonial mace during a debate on the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority Bill, the NaRRA Bill. The confrontation unfolded during a sitting of the Committee of the Whole House, forcing a temporary suspension.
Members, I name Angela Brown Burke and ask that she be removed from the chamber. Those in favor? Those against? The ayes have it. Member outside.
House Speaker Juliet Holness ruled that the MP's actions breached parliamentary rules, warning that the mace, Parliament's symbol of authority, must never be handled in protest.
Member, at no time can you grab the mace in Parliament. Not even in jest, member. And not in protest either, Member Burchell.
Despite repeated instructions, the opposition MP resisted removal and attempted to address the House before being escorted out.
Those in favor?
Madam Speaker.
Those against? Those against? No, that's not allowed.
The incident overshadowed debate on the NaRRA Bill, which aims to establish a national body to coordinate disaster recovery and resilience efforts. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness later called for calm, urging members to preserve the dignity of the House. The sitting was suspended for 5 minutes before lawmakers resumed deliberations.